and happy Monday. I'm gonna film this video to show you an unboxing. I met Sarah from MarshlandOrchids on my Instagram account, and she does pottery. So, you know, she reached out to me and asked for suggestions and tips on potteries, and we chit-chatted here about flowers, and super sweet person. So we became Instagram buddies, and then she launched her first sale online just last week, and I've made these purchases. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I haven't opened it yet. I just broke the seal to take off the addresses, and let's see what these beautiful pieces look like. I love that she had little hearts all over the box saying fragile. So she shipped it out so fast. Oh, look at this, how sweet. Thank you, Roxy, and for being my first sale too. Enjoy this little guy, Sarah. Oh, see what she put in there. Oh, guys, look how sweet. She shouldn't have. There's a live little guy in here. She sent me a plant. What a sweet surprise, Sarah. Oh, you are so kind. I was just bragging about how nice you are and how we have fun chit-chatting. Oh man, look at this. I don't have any of these. And look how well she packaged it. Let me see if I can read its name for you guys. See, Tigrina Shady Banks, Sandbar Giant. It looks like it may be a mini. Oh my goodness. Let's see if I can open her up so you guys can enjoy her. And so she can breathe a little. So well packaged. And I love that she made a little tag for me. Oh my goodness, guys, she's adorable. Wow, Sarah, you really caught me off guard there. I was not expecting this. Thank you so much. That was so sweet. And your little note too. We have the first piece. She calls experimental, but I love it. It's a ribbon. See? And it's glazed. Oh, I'm gonna be putting all sorts of babies. Maybe even that little baby. I have to do my research on her. Wow, very pretty. It's my first one. Okay, look for the other one. Wow, very well packaged. Ooh. So this other guy, she does like slabs that look like bark. And you guys know how I love experimenting with putting my orchids on all kinds of beautiful things and mounts and artwork. So this is the back of it. Notice the little holes, see? Oh, there's a little manatee stamp there. That's so cute. See, look at this, guys. So pretty. Just like bark from a tree. Look at these little aqua shiny little pieces there. I mean, this is amazing, Sarah. You're off to a good start, my friend. You have yourself a customer here. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and this was a really sweet surprise because I actually had a plant in here that I had no idea that was coming home to me. So I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the week and be happy and healthy and enjoy your garden. Bye.